Yeah. Yep, I got this guy yesterday, and yeah. So now all I need is, anyways, where he's saying, did you get the cat one? Well, apparently they didn't have the cat one. So now all I need now is the cat one and the 2018 white dog. And then I have completed the whole Howling Message Fan Dog series, and yeah. So I just need the cat in the 2018, and then my collection is complete. So yeah, just two more, and then that's it. So yeah, that's it.